Did you know honey never spoils? Archaeologists found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still edible. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Botanically, bananas fit the criteria for berries, while strawberries do not. Wombat poop is cube-shaped. This unique shape prevents it from rolling away, marking their territory effectively. A day on Venus is longer than a year. It takes Venus 243 Earth days to rotate once on its axis. Cows have best friends and get stressed when separated from them. The Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller during the summer due to thermal expansion. Sea otters hold hands while sleeping to keep from drifting apart. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance.